How are you? Kumusta na po kayo? By the way, direct to the point tayo. I'm thinking kasi na magsagot sa mga nag-asa akin about sa yung pag-earn ng money online. How to earn or make money online. There are many ways magka-earn tayo ng income online, even not online. So, I don't want to share to you sa hindi ko na experience. So, I want to base it in my experience. So, number 1 is nagba-vlogging ako. Tapos, when I was in the Philippines, I already had a website. So, accept ng mga sa mga company na advertisement. They paid me to do that. And then, second is, nagre-review ng mga products, any kind of products, and then post it in my website. Nung after 2010 na na yung vlogging na parang slowly ba na napapagod na. So I stopped because I want to rest. Bago pa ako dito, wala pa akong mga papilis ganyan na makapag-work. Naka-earn na ako ng pera nang dahil sa vlogging. So dati, hindi ka makikita. Yung lang talaga siya, yung posting lang talaga siya. You write something about that product. Then, next thing, the second one is resealing or sealing. I am passionate about handmade products like I create cloth diapers for kids because I really believe na yung yung environment, to protect the environment instead of throwing away trash, plastic, kinda like that. And so I decided na to help lessen the trash, kahit naman hindi mo talaga na lahat, at least I do my part. So I will show it to you. At the same time, I earn money. When I have a kid, I can use cloth diaper to save money, and it's really true. So this is reusable. This is what I did before. I sold a lot of cloth diapers in eBay, and look, this is my passion. I like sewing too. Besides blogging, I like sewing. So I sew this diaper. It's a reusable diaper. This is what I made, and besides this cloth diaper that I sold before, I sold this for years, and my son also used. It's gonna, see, you just get this and wash it and reuse it again. So that's what I did. Not only I sell cloth diapers, but I also clean up my closet or my husband's clothing. The used one, but it still look good. I clean it and take a picture and post it on eBay online. I have a little bit of money that time for a sideline. And then later on, I expand and sell a little bit more. And making your own, for example, you make pillowcase dress or pillowcase or cortina, tapos magawa kayo kung ano pa na nalaman niyo, like for example shorts or bib or whatever that you're passionate about making. So yun, tapos resealing, kung ayaw nyo na deal with creating something that you like busy kayo, switch it to selling used shoes because I am passionate about shoes. Instead of buying a brand new shoes, which is expensive, why not just clean the shoes that's slightly used, at saka take a good picture of it and post it online. Facebook Marketplace or eBay or Poshmark or Mercury, any different kinds of online platform. Tapos, yun yung ginagawa ko. Tas naka-income. So, that's the thing. You're passionate about doing something, tsaka nakaka-income din. Kasi, if you are only passionate about, but then, wala kang income, that's what I called hobby. Hobby lang ngayon, kasi hindi ka nakaka-income eh. Like, this one. People like to buy. So, what brand? One is Brooks shoes. And this shoes is used, slightly used. So what I did is I checked the front, there's no hole, and the thread is, it's fine, there's no crack, like that. And it's just gonna like, you can clean it good. And then the inside, there is tag inside, because you cannot sell a shoes without size tag or the label on it, what it is, what it made of, or what is this for men or for women, or for kind of like that. And then I make sure that there's no hole in the back, or it's good looking. Then I take a picture and post it on eBay or any kind of platform online. Then that's what I did. The first is the blogging, and the second is making something, reselling, handmade, or even it's already made and you have to just clean a little bit and resell it, or even brand new that's on sale in the store and you buy it for lower price. Yeah. And then third is baking. I bake pandesal, nagawa ako ng pandesal, tsaka bread, nagawa ako ng tainga, yung bagong bayan yun sa sa atin. Tapos pandesal, tsaka yung utap, yung magbe-bake ng pandesal if you are passionate about baking. So before, I'm not really thinking to sell, but then when my friend asked me to buy, then I let them buy what I made. And yeah, I made money. Number 4 is gardening or planting. So it's applicable to all, because not only here in the USA, but in the Philippines or anywhere in the world. Gardening or planting. Something like flowers, if you're passionate about flowers, or indoor plants, or fruit trees, or any kind of vegetables. I planted different kinds of vegetables, gourd, varieties. And then I didn't really think to sell it, but I made money because my friend is willing to pay. Even sometimes I just want to give them free. Gardening and planting vegetables like carrots or beans, long beans, ampalaya, or any kind of vegetables that you eat, plus you can earn money. So yeah, number 4 is gardening or planting. Tapos yung number 5 na ways na maka-income, nag-open ako ng YouTube channel para at first sa katuwaan ko lang, for fun, ganyan-ganyan. But I didn't realize na maka-earn pala ng naka-cash out ako. If it's not your cup of tea, it takes time to edit a video. But then if you are happy to do it, then go ahead and do it. But if it's not for you, then mapapagod kayo kung hindi nyo passion. Malalaman nyo talaga yung pag-passionate kayo kasi pag nakita nyo, parang natatouch kayo or gusto nyong gawin na even it's free, you will gonna do it just because you love to do it. Or pag nakita nyo, nagagalit kayo or naiinis kayo pag ganyan-ganyan kasi ayaw nyo na, gusto nyo i-justify na ganito. So, yung malalaman nyo yung passion nyo, at the same time makaka-income din. Last is, it's new to me, I applied last month, yung Facebook Reels. Kahit I thought before na mamonetize ka lang sa Facebook kung may 10,000 followers ka, but I didn't realize, or I didn't even know, not until my friend told me that you can earn money by making reels. At first, nagpo-post lang ako ng mga posting sa Facebook at saka sa reels ko sa page ko na kasi natutuwa ba ako na I'm happy to post something, not to brag or not to upset somebody na hindi nila gusto, but I did it because I'm natutuwa ba ako ba? I'm happy. Kung explore yung different na mga as long as I don't step anybody, like wala akong naapakan na tao, I'm fine. Tuwaan lang So ganyan yung ko. So, but I didn't realize na pala siya, makaka-income ka pala. So in 1,000 views, may 40 cents na babayaran kanila. So kung mag-viral ka or mag-trend yung video nyo, so parang quick lang ba na kung millions yung maka-view ganyan, so malaki din yung makuha. So So, yun yung na-found out ko. So, yun yung i-share ko sa inyo na 6 na mga ways, 6 ways lang pala sa ngayon ha. 6 ways to earn money online. Or to earn money, mga ways na maka-earn ng money. So, yun. So, if you have questions, na ilagay nyo lang sa comment para masagot ko. If you have question or parang naguluhan kayo sa mga sinasabi ko, in case na mayroon kayong hindi naunawaan. So, this is based in my experience lang naman din. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day or evening or afternoon wherever you are right now. Thank you, and don't forget, if you like the video, or if you haven't been subscribed in my channel, kasi magpo-post ako ng mga tips or mga paano, kasi I decided to do that from now on. Thank you, bye-bye.